Hi there. We've been talking about the distinction between perfectionism, mastery, and excellence. Because perfectionism has too high, too unrealistic of goals. Mastery just wants comprehensive skill and understanding, whereas excellence is just trying to do your best. There is a distinction in what happens when we go for perfectionism versus the antidotes, mastery and excellence. When we're stuck in perfectionism, we have lower self-esteem. When we go for the other two, our self-esteem increases, so does our confidence and our courage, but also our sense of self, who we really are. When we are stuck in perfectionism, often we feel pressure, too high of expectations, but the other two give us flow and an organic process. And finally, when we're stuck in perfectionism, we're always wondering, are we there yet? Are we there yet? We want to be there. We want it to be done now. We want it to be there already. The other two enjoy the journey. So yes, we can be stuck in the perfect trap, or we can choose mastery and excellence and enjoy the ride.